Hey guys, welcome back to GreenStuff from a garden cat. So this is most awaited plant that I was expecting. This is very kind of rare. I was never expecting that this plant I'll be getting so easily. So yeah, it was so hard for me to get this plant for the first time. Anthurium 1829 actually revealed, and this Anthurium normally found in North America and in rainforests. If you think you want to care, or if you want to have some Anthurium, then you must have to care for some tips or some of the lines that is for compulsory. You can take a note. First of one is light, temperature, watering, humidity and soil. These are the best pillars to care about the Anthurium. So if I am going to one by one, for the first one, if you see that light, so I already discussed on that. It's really hate the direct sunlight, but it always like the sunlight, but which is indirect, as you know, that is found from that kind of north side and kind of like rainforest. So it's like coming from the humidity or is moisture area from where it's growing a lot more. So the second thing, if you going for the temperature, is kind of like in the rainforest is normally they have given the temperature like 26 to 30 is maximum, so it will be the best temperature for this plant. And for the humidity, this plant really love humidity. So if you can give some moisture by spraying water regularly, that's also totally fine. And for the watering, you need to be careful on that, because it's again is combined to the soil part that you have to take care of it. It should have a quite good drainage system, so that if you give them water, so you make sure the water is not like consisting there inside, so the plant will be more strong and it will be more healthy. So you need to frequently water, yeah, that's for sure, but it should not be like you are giving too much. That has to be taken care extra. So for the soil, what I have given, what I had used, that if you want to know that how I made some soils for my succulents, that I already used from here. So it's really working, and it's been 2 weeks and it is growing more in that time. If you want to see that how to make a best soil for these succulents and the Anthurium, you had a link in this here. Let's come back to the good stuff of this plant. So first thing is good about this plant is this is the best air purifying plant ever, and NASA has listed this plant as the best air purifier. So the second thing is this shapes of this heart and the color. If you can see the from closely, it's looking like having some purple from the side, and the surface is velvety, that is definitely, and the dark green color is most amazing. If you can see from this plant from in front of your eyes, or it's like it's unbelievable. So this Anthurium symbol as hospitality for the people because of his heart shape. Another thing is this plant is really easy to propagate, because if you want to propagate this plant, is really easy. From the root you can easily propagate. That one I will have a separate video in my next one if you want. So finally we came back to the end of this video, and now I'm going to discuss the side effect or bad thing about this plant. So there is only one bad side effect or bad thing, whatever you can tell, is only one, that is its leaf itself is toxic. So your big and bold love symboled leaves is having toxic in these vines, so it's definitely harmful for your kids, definitely. And if you have any pets in your home, yeah, that also is really harmful. What is has inside is calcium oxalate crystals. Calcium oxalate, if you don't know about the calcium oxalate crystals, it's really can be found in our urine as well. So sometimes, like if the calcium oxalate crystals are increasing from our urine science, so that can be making of stone in your kidneys. So these are the things that there are some biological things that I have really less idea. But for this plant, the crystal formation is one of the best toxic stuff that we should avoid. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you like this video, please make sure you subscribe, and if you are new to my YouTube channel, please make sure that also you subscribe to my YouTube channel for upcoming next and new videos. Have any comments or queries, please comment below. Till then, we'll see you soon. Bye. Hey, I shall test this, man. Hey, stop the camera, let's test.